In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your storefront on Volusion. Let's get started and make sure you can smoothly navigate your way to viewing your store, just like your customers will see it. First and foremost, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't particularly matter which one you choose: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. They'll all do the trick. Once your browser is ready, head over to the search bar and type in Volusion. What we're aiming for here is the Volusion login page, so go ahead and hit enter, and this should direct you to Volusion's website where you can log in. Once you've landed on the website, you'll want to enter your login details. This usually means typing in your username or email and your password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a handy link to help you reset it. After you're logged in, you'll be brought to the admin area, which is where all the magic happens behind the scenes of your store. Now that you're in your admin area, we'll turn our attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice the admin toolbar sitting there. Look for the icon that says View Store. It may just be a symbol, but typically it's some sort of representation of a storefront. When you click on it, your live storefront will open up in a new tab or window, depending on your web browser settings. This is exactly what your customers will see when they visit your store, so it gives you a live view of how everything looks. Now, sometimes you might be in the middle of creating or tweaking something in your store. Maybe you're adjusting a product listing, refreshing the look of your homepage, or fine-tuning the details for a promotion. In these cases, you might want to see how these changes are going to appear on the live site without navigating back to the main admin area. For those scenarios, Volusion has provided a very user-friendly option. Right below the icon where your name is displayed in the toolbar, there will be a View Live Store option available. This alternative allows you to remain in your current work area and check out the real-time outcomes of your adjustments with just one click. This makes it incredibly convenient to switch between your work area and your live store view. And there you have it. Now you know how to access your storefront on Volusion in a couple of straightforward steps. Use these instructions to regularly check how your store is performing from a customer's perspective, and don't hesitate to explore more options within the platform to optimize your store's accessibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!